Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones. So it's like linking your phone to your PC or computer device. You're gonna just go ahead to your WhatsApp, okay, and once you've gone to your WhatsApp, you're gonna go ahead to your settings and you're gonna go ahead to link device. So you're gonna just go ahead and link device, and after you click link device, it will open a camera to zoom in at the QR code that's appearing on my PC right now, okay. And once you just put the camera to the QR code, it will scan it and it will log you in inside the WhatsApp web. Same goes with the other devices like your phone, okay. If you are using another phone and you want to link between two phones, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just download the WhatsApp on the other phone, and after you downloaded this WhatsApp on your secondary phone, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just before you enter your mobile number, you will see three dots on your secondary phone, and you're gonna just click link device, okay, and it will generate a QR code on your secondary device, and you're gonna just go ahead to your settings as well, go ahead to your link device on your primary phone. You're gonna just hit link device and you're gonna put it on your secondary phone to scan the QR code, and it will sign in instantly after a couple seconds. All right, and you will see messages, you will see the same settings, the same as your primary phone. And if you want to log out of the device that you are using, maybe Android on your secondary phone, after you link it, what you're gonna do is same settings, go ahead to link devices. You will see right here the devices that you are logged in. If you saw an Android or secondary phone that you are using, the secondary device, you're gonna just click on that device, and you're gonna see log out button, and you're gonna just log out of the Android phone, for example. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.